Did you know there's a shrimp that can create a sound louder than a jet engine? Meet the pistol shrimp. With its specialized claw, it snaps shut so quickly that it generates a cavitation bubble. When this bubble collapses, it produces a sound that can reach 218 decibels. That's over 100,000 times louder than the sound of a jet flyover. This incredible snap helps the shrimp to stun prey and communicate with other shrimps. Plus, it can even create a flash of light, a phenomenon known as sonoluminescence. These tiny powerhouses are found in tropical and subtropical waters, showcasing not only their unique adaptation, but also the wonders of marine life.